The world our kids are growing up in is changing faster than ever. Tomorrow's careers will demand skills in math, coding, AI, and problem solving. Skills that most students don't get early enough. At igebra.ai, our mission is simple: to build the next gen of AI and quantum leaders by blending school learning with future-ready skills. Our solution? 4 powerful level-based programs for grades 4 to 10. Math, strengthen school fundamentals, boost problem solving, and gain exam confidence. Math++, go beyond the classroom, connecting math to data thinking and AI applications. Coding for AI, learn Python, the language of AI, and build real-world projects, from games to machine learning models. AI Edge, dive into AI and generative AI, creating chatbots, smart tools, and AI-powered art. All courses are live online, in small groups, with recordings and backup sessions, so learning never stops. Give your child the skills to lead, not just follow. Enroll today at igebra.ai and turn curiosity into capability.